Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes, in the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. All praise to Allah, the Lord of God, the King of the King, the Master of the After. Secondly, peace and salutation to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has brought from the darkness until the likeness. Yes, to the point only, I want to explain the title of noun and pronoun. Name of group: myself, Muhammad Iqbal Kurniawan. Name 1H21 0093. Yes, to the point. What is noun? A noun is a word that is used to name a person, place, thing, or idea. The noun is part of speech, the most basic parts to form an English sentence. For example, Andi, Iqbal, teacher, police, doctor, park, chair, love, etc. Function of noun: number 1, subject or verb. Number 2, subject or object complement. Number 3, direct or indirect object. Number 4, object of proposition. Noun as direct or indirect object. Noun as direct object is a noun that receives the action of the transitive verb. For example, I see cat. Secondly, Kenzie rides a bike. Noun as the indirect object receives the result of the action of the verb, but not as the main object. For example, firstly, Mr. Subadar give me some exercise. Secondly, Mahila sent his brother a postcard from Jakarta. Yes, noun as object of proposition. Noun as object of proposition is the noun governed by a preposition. For example, firstly, she put her handphone in the bag. Secondly, I am writing on the table. Type of nouns. Countable and uncountable nouns, proper and common noun, abstract and concrete noun, collective noun. Number 1, countable and uncountable noun. The noun can be countable or uncountable. Countable nouns can be count. For example, a cat, 2 apples, etc. I have 2 apples on my table. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. For example, hair, water, etc. I want to buy some water at the supermarket. Secondly, proper and common noun. A proper noun is a specific name for a particular person, place, or thing. Proper nouns are always capitalized in English because the endowed nouns with a specific name, they are also sometimes called proper names. For example, Indonesia Jakarta, David, Raisa, Dini, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, NMAX, etc. I am from Jakarta, like that. Secondly, proper and common noun. A common noun is a generic name for a person, place, or thing in a class or group. Unlike a proper noun, a common noun is not capitalist unless it either begins a sentence or appears in a title. For example, I want to eat some meal at the restaurant in Bandung or in Jakarta, like that. Thirdly, abstract and concrete noun. Abstract nouns are defined as a type of nouns that you can see, touch, or otherwise the reasonable experience by any of the human sense. For example, firstly, believe, secondly, goal, thirdly, cool, fourthly, sensitive, fifthly, love. Abstract and concrete noun. This is concrete noun. A concrete noun is a noun that can be identified through one of the five senses: taste, touch, hearing. For example, number 1, police, number 2, table, number 3, chair, number 4, airport. Fourthly, collective noun. The collective noun is a word referring to a collection of things taken as a whole. For example, we work as a group. And the noun pronoun. Pronouns are one of the most important components of part of speech. The pronoun is a word used to replace nouns which can be people, objects, animals, place, or abstract concepts. This time we will discuss the types of pronouns and their use. Firstly, subject pronoun, secondly, object pronoun, thirdly, possessive adjective pronoun, fourthly, possessive pronoun, and fifthly, reflexive pronoun. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are pronouns that serve as actors in sentence. In English, 7 subject pronouns are commonly used to compose perfect sentence. That is, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, or this, or that, or those, or this. The following are examples of the sentence. Subjects: I, you, we, they. Example from I don't know what to say no. And from you stand there without fear. From we count our life on you. From they are champion. Pronoun: he, she, it, or this, or that, those, or this. From he, example, he is a policeman. From she is a teacher. It, or this, or that, this is my doctor. From those chickens make me hungry. Yes, next, object pronoun. An object pronoun is a type of personal pronoun usually used as a grammatical object, either as a direct or indirect object of a verb or a proposition object. These pronouns always take an objective case, whether it's an indirect object pronoun or a direct object pronoun. For you and no change in the shape of the subject pronouns. So the object pronoun that changes from its subject is me, you, us, them, him, and her. The next object pronoun. The following are example of the sentence. Subject: me, you, us, them, him, her, it or this or that, those or this. The example: neighbor never call me in the morning. From you, people cannot blame you for this mistake. From us, don't you want to join us tomorrow? From them, folklore cannot destroy them because they have a story mentally. From him, no one brave knows to punch him. From her, just tell her that you are right, she is worried about you. From it, please put in a safe place. From this, we can put these flowers on bouquet. And the next, possessive adjective pronoun. Possessive adjective pronoun is a pronoun of person that denotes ownership of something. Usually, the form of the pronoun is followed by a noun belonging to the person concerned. Possessive adjective pronoun consists of my, your, her, his, its, or, and their. Subject: I, you, she, he. Possessive adjective: my, your, her, his. Example: my stomach is hungry. I need it tomorrow. I need it now. From your haircut makes you look freezer. From her children are beautiful like other mom. From his uniform is styled with from the rain. It is the elephant has the biggest ears on the left and right sides of its head. We all. Our dream will come true within this week. The students were still at the museum when their bus came. Yes, the next, possessive pronoun. Just like possessive adjective pronoun, the possessive pronoun is a pronoun of a person that indicates ownership of something. The difference is the possessive pronoun is preceded by the noun owner. In addition, possessive pronoun can also be used to avoid the revision of two nouns. Possessive pronouns consist of mine, yours, her, his, ours, and theirs. Subject: I, you, she, he, we, they. Possessive: mine, yours, hers, his, ours, theirs. The example: the car is mine. This shirt will always be yours. The slippers are hers. We couldn't touch this boat because it's his. The victory is ours, and no one can take it from us. My house is beside theirs. Yes, and the next, reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun is a pronoun used to refer to something to oneself. This singular type of pronoun consists of myself, yourself, herself, himself, and I itself. Will the plural consist of yourselves, ourselves, and themselves? The following are examples of the sentence. From subject I, you, she, he. Reflexive, myself, yourself, herself, himself. The example, I can do this myself. Please learn to take care of yourself. She won't go by herself. I will go with her. And the last, he made myself losing the game. He made himself losing the game. The subject, it, you, we, they. Reflexive, itself, yourself, ourselves, themselves. The example, an eagle can live by itself. And then, after that, don't burden yourselves with trivial matters. We can't eat this all by ourselves. And the last, the soldiers didn't care about themselves. Yes, this is what I can explain. More or less, I apologize. May Allah bless us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.